Welcome back everyone. Today I am back with another crowd pleaser recipe that sounds delicious and only needs few ingredients and under half an hour to make family favorite recipe. And why name Marry Me Chicken? This recipe's irresistible combination of all the ingredients and tender sauteed chicken in a creamy sun-dried tomato sauce which is packed with flavor in every bite that you might get a marriage proposal. So coming back to the recipe, for this recipe we'll need For this recipe I have taken chicken thighs because they are more juicier and have more rich flavor. Now sprinkle some salt and black pepper and massage it into the skin and then keep it aside for few minutes. After that, heat some oil in a pan and 2 tablespoons of butter. When the oil is hot enough, add the chicken pieces and cook it on medium heat for 5 minutes on each side. You can see this golden crust on the skin. This is what we want. Remove the chicken pieces from the oil and similarly fry the remaining pieces. In the same oil, add finely chopped garlic and saute it until it changes its color to light golden. Add fresh thyme and then add half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes. Add some fresh basil leaves, some black pepper and salt. Don't add salt too much because we already added salt to the chicken pieces. Add a cup of chicken stock. Mix it well and then add heavy cream for that rich creamy sauce. Finally add the Parmesan cheese and the cooked chicken pieces into the pan. Let it simmer for 5 minutes so that our chicken pieces could absorb all the flavors. And our dish is ready. Remove it from heat and finally garnish with more Parmesan cheese and enjoy this dish with side of your choice. Please try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section how it turned out. I hope you liked this video, and for more interesting videos, please subscribe to my channel for weekly updates. Thanks for watching.